Hello guys, welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to bulk delete emails in Gmail, the quick and easy way to clean up your inbox in just a few clicks. Let's get started. So head over to your Gmail and log into your account. This method works best using your laptop or desktop. So in your inbox, choose the email category you wish to delete. You can either choose between primary, promotions, or social. So for this example, we're going to be using social. Then on the top left corner, you can select. When you click here, you're going to select all your mails. This automatically selects all the mails on this page. As you can see, there are usually 50 mails in this page, and when you select this, it selects all. You can go through and then deselect the particular mails of which you don't want to delete. That way it makes it very easy for you. So when you're done selecting the mails you don't want to delete, all you have to do now is to click the trash icon here, as you can see. So we click delete, automatically, as you can see, 47 conversations move to trash. So all the emails of which you selected have been moved to trash. From there, they are going to stay in our trash for 30 days, whereby they'll be permanently deleted. So if you made a mistake and deleted a particular mail whereby you did not want to delete, what you can do is you go to more and then you come to your trash folder. From here, all the mails that have been deleted from your Gmail account in less than 30 days will be here. So these are the mails that were just from deleting, and from here now you can simply select the particular mail which you want to recover. And you simply right click on the particular mail and you can simply move the particular mail back to your inbox. So if we click move to inbox, automatically it has moved to our inbox. And lastly, if you want to just empty your trash, what you can do is just select all, and then from there you can empty the trash now. And that's it guys. If you found the guide helpful, like and subscribe.